Liquor Up, Demystified. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, liquor up. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Liquor up is a colloquial phrase that primarily means to consume alcoholic beverages. It's often used to indicate that someone is drinking alcohol to the point of becoming tipsy or drunk. For example, if someone says, "He decided to liquor up before the party," it means that person drank alcohol before attending the party. The word liquor refers to alcoholic beverages, especially distilled spirits like vodka, rum, or whiskey. When we add up to liquor, it intensifies the action, suggesting the act of getting drunk or consuming a considerable amount of alcohol. 1. She doesn't usually liquor up, but it was a special occasion. 2. They decided to liquor up before the big game to ease their nerves. 3. If you're planning to liquor up, make sure you don't drive afterward. There are other ways people might express the same idea. 1. Have a few drinks. 2. Get buzzed. 3. Tie one on. While each of these has its unique nuances, they all revolve around the theme of consuming alcohol. We hope this has shed some light on the phrase, liquor up, for you. English is full of colorful and unique expressions, and understanding them can make your conversations more lively and engaging. Remember, always use such phrases responsibly and in the right context. Until next time, happy learning!